Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share any Android apps to iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to share Android apps to an iPhone, you have to follow these steps. First, on your Android device, open the Google Play Store and search for an app called Local Send. Install it on your Android phone. Then go to your iPhone and open the App Store and install the same Local Send app there as well. This app allows you to transfer files wirelessly between devices. Once both devices have Local Send installed, open the app on both phones. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Android phone, tap on the Send option at the bottom. You'll see multiple categories. Scroll to the right until you find the Apps section. This will show you all the apps installed on your Android device. Now, select any app you want to share. For example, Bybit. Once selected, your iPhone should appear as a nearby device inside Local Send. Tap on your iPhone name and then accept the incoming request on your iPhone. The APK file will start transferring. After the transfer is complete, you can open the Files app on your iPhone and locate the received file inside the Local Send folder. And as you can see, here's the same app that we just transferred from Android phone, and that's it. This is how you can share any Android apps to iPhone. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.